What's up, guys? We've now had our Shark Navigator Liftaway Deluxe NV360 for just over a year now. I want to make this video to give you our thoughts on the design, quality, functionality, and usability of our Shark after 1 year. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments what you think about the Shark Navigator, or if you have any questions about it. My wife and I bought our first home about a year ago. Neither of us had anything when we got married, which is why we made sure to be intentional with every purchase. Since then, we have been slowly accumulating everything from coffee makers to vacuums to every other household essential. We're obsessed with getting the best bang for our buck. That's why we researched every purchase so we could find the sweet spot between reliability, usability, and quality, all while on a newlywed budget. With that being said, if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. There are 3 areas I want to cover. First, the design. As far as looks go, it's a classic modern vacuum. Aside from the much pricier Dyson vacuums, which look like futuristic spaceships, most vacuums aren't designed to impress with looks, and this isn't any different. However, this Shark is designed with functionality in mind. Let's start at the top and work our way down. There are 2 attachments that come with it, one crevice tool and one upholstery tool, which are placed right under the handle. You can purchase extra accessories like a dusting brush or a pet power brush, but we haven't found ourselves needing more. These can be attached at 2 places on the machine. The first is the handle. We tend to use this the most, however, it can also disconnect toward the bottom so you can have more reach. The cord can easily be wrapped up on the side. It's approximately 12 feet long, and this has been plenty long enough for us and wouldn't want it any longer. There are 3 power modes: off, bare floor, and brush roll on. Bare floor is when there is only suction. The brush doesn't spin in this mode. We use this on our hardwood floors and tile. We only turn the brush on when vacuuming carpet or rugs. The brush doesn't come on right away though. Only once it is pushed down does it begin to spin. This is a great safety feature that works well. Then we come down to the dust collector. There are some great things about it and a couple annoying quirks too. We like that it is clear and can see how much dirt and dust it is actually picking up, compared to some vacuums that use bags. Its 12 quart capacity is big enough to use a few times before having to empty it. It is easy to unlatch, open, and clean it. We have found the easiest way to clean it is to take it outside and open it inside of a bag so dust doesn't go flying everywhere. The one annoying part of this whole vacuum is trying to clear it out 100%. As I'm sure is the case with other vacuums, some dirt gets lodged in it and you have to dig it out with your hand sometimes. Once it's emptied though, just snap it back on and you're good to go. Lastly, there's a way to make it more portable and handheld. Just unlatch it from the base and it becomes a powerful hand vacuum. We personally don't use this much. We have a much smaller one for little things that does the job, but it's a nice way to make it lighter if you do need it. The second area I want to cover is the quality. I believe last year we bought this for $180, and as of right now it's on sale for $150 on Amazon. And that is a lot of money for a vacuum. But I must say, we've both been very impressed with the build quality and quality of materials. Even after a year being pulled off and put on, the tools still fit snug. The handle and the parts on the whole machine feel tight and they don't rattle when using the machine. The latches are strong, and when getting put back together, they really snap into place. The cord is tough but flexible. The hook for the cord is strong, and the dustbin and filters are easily clamped and sealed after being removed. Everything about this machine seems to be well built. The third and final, and probably the most important aspect, is functionality. How does it operate on different surfaces, and would we buy it again? On hardwood and tile, it does as you would expect. It picks up loose dirt and dust. It's not meant to be a hardwood cleaner or scrubber. The suction is powerful and it does well on the edges and in the corners. The wheels roll nicely and haven't scratched our floors once. Where this vacuum really shines is on the rugs and the carpet. Our carpet is a medium pile. It works like a charm. It feels much cleaner after running this over it just one time. Where we're most impressed with this is our rugs. On our stiff rug under the dining room table, it picks up crumbs and cleans without fraying the rug at all. We were most worried about using this vacuum on this rug in our living room because it is so plush and long. But it cleans it perfectly without being rough on the rug. It exceeded our expectations with what it could do. As for rugs with different textures, it had no problem cleaning them as well. With all that being said, we couldn't be happier with this vacuum. We feel like we got something that will last for years to come that does an exceptional job cleaning all of our floors. We would highly recommend this and have recommended this to our family and friends and now you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to catch my upcoming video on how to DIY deep clean hardwood floors to get rid of that fog and residue without hiring a professional. When I finish, I'll be sure to post the video on here. If you appreciated this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you do decide to purchase the Shark vacuum, please use the link in the description below. Peace!